Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on average. To find the average of a set of scores, we add up all the scores and divide by the number of scores. So for example 1, find the average of 2, 3, 5 and 6. So the average is the sum of the scores divided by the number of scores. So we have 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 all over 4. 16 over 4 gives us 4. So the average is 4. Example 2. In 5 cricket innings, Bill scored 23 runs, 43 runs, 16 runs, 54 runs and 64 runs. What was his average for the 5 innings? So if we add all the numbers up, here they are here, they're the 5 numbers, and we divide by 5. So the 5 numbers add up to 200, and we divide by 5, so 200 divided by 5 is 40. So Bill's average was 40 runs. The number of cars passing through an intersection each hour during a 6-hour period were, these were the number of cars. What was the average number of cars each hour? So basically, if we add up all those numbers, so we've just done that here, that gives us 1,968. If we divide by 6, so 6 into 1,968, or 1,968 divided by 6, if we go through the process, I'll leave you to do that because we've done quite a few of those already, and the average number of cars is 328. Now example 4, this is a little bit of an extension one because it's a little bit different, so we have to think carefully. The average of 23, 42, 56, 62 and the square, which is an unknown number, is 47. What is the value of the square? So if the average of the above 5 numbers is 47, then if we multiply 47 by 5, we get the sum of all the numbers. So if we multiply 47 by 5, we get 235, and that's the sum of all the numbers. Now, the sum of the first 4 numbers is, so here are the first 4 numbers we were given. If we add those 4 up, we get 183. So if the sum of the 5 numbers was 235, the sum of the first 4 was 183, the way to find the square is 235 minus 183, and that gives us 52. So the value of the square is 52. So this has been a very interesting little video just to show us how we calculate the average.